everyone, welcome to the channel. As of today, I'm not going to show you a tutorial or anything like this. Today is Boishak, or first day of Bengali New Year. To celebrate this occasion, we all gathered here to celebrate the first day of Bengali calendar. And it's more like a get-together party and one dish party where each family cook one dish and share the food together. The program will be held in one of the classrooms in our university campus. And in this occasion, I'd like to meet you, my dear husband.
Hi guys.
That's him, the man of my life.
I'm wearing a traditional outfit today, which is shari or sari. Although the usual dress code for Pahala Boishak is red and white, I'm wearing purple, as you can see. And for my makeup, I chose a classic smoky eye and light pink lipstick combo. It's a rainy day and almost everyone is here. Let's take a look at the classroom where the program will be held. As you can see, we all are wearing the same outfit, all the boys and all the girls. It's not like we do this every year on every occasion, but this time of the year, we decided to do so. Here comes the beauty queens of Busan National University Bangladeshi community, including me. Here's the food for the program. Although the traditional menu for Pahala Boishak is panta bhat or hilsa fish and different smashed vegetables, but we did add some additional food on the menu. And at the end, we have traditional Bengali dessert, which is paesh or rice pudding. The next part of the program will be held in another place in an open space. Now we are all moving there. It's a rainy day, but it's really fun to walk around the campus with your friends with umbrella and wearing shari. So we reached our next venue, and it's a very nice place that is close to the nature. This part of the program includes a cultural show and some game show for both boys, girls, and also the couples. But first, we're gonna begin the program singing our national anthem. Next part of the program includes a song presented by one of our Bangladeshi brother, and the most interesting part of the program, flute playing by one of our little champion here. Time for a game show. The first game is for ladies. The rule is to throw the ball in the bucket in the front. The next one is for boys. The rule is to collapse the pyramid of the paper cup by throwing a ball to it. This is my husband. Sadly, he didn't do very well. Next game for ladies is pillow passing, or more like a chicken doll passing. I was the winner of this game, and I couldn't believe that I can win a pillow passing game at this age.
আমরা খেলতে তাইলে মুড ভালো হয়ে যাবে
The next game is for boys, and the rule is to hit the bottle with a ball. Next game is for couples, where a lady has to throw a ball and her mister has to catch it with a paper cup. It was quite fun. My husband and I earned the second prize in this game. Now the prize ceremony for the game show. It was already quite dark, so I couldn't film all the part of the segment.
So I own this prize and our program is finished. So this was all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. And I apologize for being kind of messy and clumsy with the video. It's my first vlog without a tutorial. And this is how we try to enjoy our abroad life here. So I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.